Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best mud flaps that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the Tamers Mud Flap system. Unlike the universal picks on our list, this Tamers system employs mud flaps for a very specific use case. This set of two rear guards forgoes permanent mounting within the wheel wells for a 1-inch area of free space on your trailer hitch, which makes sense because the rock tamers are designed to keep debris from kicking up and scratching your towable payload. Whether you've got a shiny speedboat, a pricey Windstream, or just a cargo trailer, this duo of massive 24 by 24 inch guards is made to protect your tow behind from a constant barrage of dust and gravel. Available in 2, 2.5 and 3-inch mount sizes. The rock tamers are also unusually customizable with an adjustable width that ranges from 66.75 to 97 inches. Second on the list is the SUNPIE Car Mud Flaps. Coming in at considerably lower cost and curb appeal, SUNPIE's affordable splash guards are a great way to get started. Measuring 13 by 11.4 inches, these black, nondescript mud flaps provide considerably less coverage than our top pick, making them more appropriate for compact to mid-sized crossovers and cars. This set of 4 guards features universal fitment, and you will need to drill your own holes. This also means you are free to customize how low you want them to hang and how far you want them to extend from the side of the vehicle. Mounting hardware consisting of plastic rivers is included. Third on the list is the Husky Liners rubber rear mud flaps. Providing good all-around projectile mitigation for trucks and full-size SUVs are the Husky Liners mud flaps with weights, constructed from a hard-wearing thermoplastic meant to endure all seasons. This set of 2 rear wheel guards should be in it for the long haul. The mud flaps measure 23.25 inches long by 12.25 inches wide for impressive coverage. As for the weights, the company admits they are strictly for aesthetics. In fact, if you prefer to eschew the brushed metal accents, a similar Husky Liners set can be had at almost half the price. A matching pair for the front wheels is available for purchase separately. Fourth on the list is the Husky Liners Black Custom Mud Guards. Another entry from Husky Liners, this pick is exclusively for America's best-selling vehicle, the Ford F-150. More specifically, model years 2015 to 2019. Like many custom no-drill kits, these mud flaps aren't very flappy. Instead, they're attractively molded to match the factory styling of the pickup truck. This set of 4 provides full tread coverage of the F-150's factory tires and is made from durable thermoplastic. Because these are custom fit, no drilling or trimming should be required, making installation that much easier. Lastly, fifth on the list is the TeraFlex JK Transit Mud Flap Kit. Sticking with popular utility vehicles for the moment, the TeraFlex Mud Flap Kit is expressly for the JK Jeep Wrangler 2007 to 2018 model years. This set of 2 guards for the rear of the vehicle also accommodates Rubicon and unlimited trims. And you might well ask what a go-anywhere rock scrambler needs with mud flaps. Setting aside the fact that many, if not most, wranglers serve as grocery getters, some states require the installation of mud flaps for off-roaders that cover every degree of approach and departure they can get. A compliance mud flap is just one more obstacle. To that end, TeraFlex has a unique trick up its sleeve. While its guards are plenty rugged, they can also quickly be removed with the turn of a knob when navigating tricky terrain. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.